Is your Tesla Model 3 feeling sluggish? It might be stuck in chill mode. Chill mode limits acceleration to promote safer driving, but sometimes it can persist even after you've switched it off. Chill mode is a driving profile that caps acceleration at about 60% of standard levels, designed for safer, more conservative driving in urban environments. This mode is toggled through the Drive Mode selector on the central touchscreen, but occasionally software glitches or sensor interference can cause it to stick, making the vehicle feel sluggish. Common causes include conflicts in the electronic control unit, user errors in mode selection, or issues with accelerator sensors and battery management. We'll explore solutions like restarting the vehicle and checking for updates. Several factors can cause your Tesla Model 3 to get stuck in chill mode. Software glitches, especially during full self-driving engagements, are a primary culprit. User error, sensor interference from faulty components like the accelerator pedal or brake sensors, and extreme cold weather affecting the battery management system can also play a role. Basically, it's often a software hiccup. The first and often easiest solution is to restart your Tesla's system. Do this by pressing and holding both scroll wheels on the steering wheel simultaneously for about 10 seconds. This will reboot the infotainment system and often resets the driving profile, kicking it out of stuck chill mode. It's the equivalent of turning it off and on again for your car. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air updates that address software bugs and improve performance. These updates are delivered remotely to your vehicle, fixing issues without visiting a service center. Recent updates, such as FSD Supervised v13.2 and v14.0, have resolved widespread chill mode sticking problems. To receive and install updates, your Model 3 must be connected to Wi-Fi. This ensures fast and reliable download speeds. You can verify your Wi-Fi connection in the vehicle's settings menu. In the settings menu on your central touchscreen, find the Software or Updates section. Tap Check for Updates to let the system scan for the latest available software versions. When an update is found, select to download and install it. The download process may take several minutes, depending on your connection speed. Your Model 3 will restart automatically once the installation is complete, applying the fixes for issues like chill mode persistence. By keeping your software up to date, you ensure your Model 3 operates optimally with the latest fixes and improvements. Tesla has implemented a way to manually reset the drive mode. Try holding the Drive Mode button on the touchscreen for 5 seconds. This should force the system to reevaluate the selected driving profile and revert to your chosen mode if chill mode was erroneously stuck. If restarting your Tesla and checking for software updates don't resolve the stuck chill mode issue, the problem might be more complex, potentially involving hardware faults or deeper software conflicts. Consider scheduling a service appointment with Tesla. Their certified technicians have access to specialized diagnostic tools and can thoroughly inspect your vehicle. At the service center, technicians will use diagnostic interfaces to check for hardware issues such as faulty brake pedal sensors, battery management system glitches, or other component failures that could cause the mode to stick. If needed, they can perform ECU parameter resets to address deeper software conflicts that basic troubleshooting can't resolve. This often involves specialized tools in Tesla's service portal. Advanced troubleshooting at Tesla service centers has a high success rate, resolving the majority of complex issues that can't be fixed at home. Tesla's over-the-air update system plays a crucial role in fixing software issues like stuck chill mode. These updates are delivered wirelessly to your vehicle, often installing automatically in the background without requiring any action from you. When an update is available, you'll see a notification on your vehicle's touchscreen. The update typically downloads and installs while the car is parked and charging. This automated process ensures your Tesla stays current with the latest fixes. To understand if a specific update addresses chill mode issues, review the release notes on Tesla's official website. These notes detail what bugs are fixed in each update. You can also check Tesla owner forums for real-world reports on update effectiveness. The update progress is tracked automatically. Once complete, your vehicle will reboot if necessary, and the chill mode issue should be resolved. Staying informed about these updates helps you understand when fixes are available. Tesla is advancing towards AI-driven vehicle personalization, where driving modes automatically adapt to individual habits, road conditions, and even biometric data from cameras. Future software updates will incorporate machine learning models that analyze driving patterns to preemptively prevent mode locks, ensuring smoother transitions between profiles. Although cybersecurity challenges persist, such as potential vulnerabilities in mode switches, Tesla aims for a seamless experience where modes are intelligently managed. This intelligent management significantly reduces the likelihood of getting stuck in chill mode, creating safer and more efficient driving. This completes our comprehensive guide to understanding and resolving Tesla Model 3 chill mode issues.